Want to come on a journey with me? I'm talking about the third eye, but I'm turning energy work into words we can all understand. So, if you're new here, I'm your spiritual bestie. I've got a witchy bestie and every other bestie, but this is your spiritual one, so make sure you're following along. Because I want to talk to you about something many people find intriguing, but they often misunderstand it because of social media. The third eye chakra, when you hear that, you might instantly think about mystical visions, psychic abilities, or even Ouija boards. But there's actually a lot more to it than that. And it's not about having supernatural powers. Instead, it's about perception and how you see and understand the world around you. The third eye chakra is connected to the way you interpret what's happening in your life. It influences how you read situations, how you process information, and importantly, how you trust your inner voice and intuition. It isn't about being dramatic or anything like that. It's subtle and gentle. Think of it like a quiet whisper inside you that nudges you. Have you ever felt that feeling when something doesn't feel right? Or you go somewhere and you're like, oh, don't know if I like this. I feel really bad vibes. It doesn't always come up with clear evidence or proof, but there's an underlying sense of knowing there. And that is your intuition. We call it the third eye. You call it intuition. One common misconception, though, is that intuition or the third eye involves magic or something beyond science. I promise you, it is not. A simple way to think about it is that your intuition is your brain recognizing patterns combined with being fully present in that moment. It's about noticing clues that your conscious mind might miss and then draw connections without even realizing it. To make this idea a bit easier to grasp, you can try this little exercise. So pay attention, right, today to moments where you just know something before you're able to explain it. Maybe you walk into a room and immediately have a feeling about it. Or you meet someone and get a sense that their energy isn't quite right. These are just two examples of your third eye intuition in action. It's your innate ability to pick up on subtle signals and trust your inner self. If I hadn't done this when I was 14, I think 15, I was going to get jumped in an alleyway. My intuition told me not to. I didn't, and I got saved. Now, the benefits of paying attention to this side of yourself go beyond just knowing whether things are good or bad. Having this balance that we're going to do this week, right, is going to help you make better decisions, understand people more deeply, and even navigate challenges with greater confidence. When this part of you is balanced, you don't need to second guess or rely on external validation because you're connected to your own inner guidance. And to do that is amazing. Recognizing and nurturing your third eye can lead to a stronger relationship with yourself. It encourages a deeper sense of clarity and self-awareness, which in turn helps in all areas of your life. And you're all getting it for free. And all you got to do is follow. Tell you what, should be a millionaire. It is going to affect your personal relationships to your professional choices. It's not about having infinitable insight or predicting the future like some people would like us to do. It's rather about developing a wiser, calmer way of perceiving the present moment. If you are working on balancing your third eye, start by cultivating mindfulness and pay attention to your intuition without immediately questioning it. This is going to allow you and those subtle whispers to be heard. Notice the time when your gut feels like it's guiding you correctly, even if you can't fully explain it in the moment, right? Make sure you're following along, and make sure you've saved this video as well so you can keep that, and every time you can trust your gut. I have actually created a free ESP trainer. An ESP trainer helps train your intuition because you're not guessing, but you're tuning into it. So if you want that, let me know.